Van Grove. In Heinrich's pregnant women, non-invasive prenatal testing with the use of massively parallel sequencing of maternal plasma cell-free DNA testing accurately detects the fetal autosomal aneuploidy. Its performance in low-risk women is unclear. Methods. At 21 centers in the United States, we collect blood samples from women with singleton pregnancies who were undergoing standard haploid screening, serum biometrical assay with or with tumal translucent nexory. Conclusion. In general obstetrical population prenatal testing with the use of the HNAT had significantly lower false positive rates and higher positive predictive values for detection on trisomy 21 and 18 that standard screening no,
The most commonly used method for sequencing DNA relies on the Sanger dideoxy strategy. Ingenious in its simplicity, the dideoxy method is based on the fact that a DNA chain can grow only if a 3' hydroxyl group is available on which to add to the growing strand. In DNA sequencing, the 3' OH group is initially supplied by a short oligonucleotide called a primer. Each newly added nucleotide provides a 3' OH group on which to add another nucleotide. In dideoxy sequencing, a small amount of synthetic nucleotides called dideoxynucleotides are added to the reaction mixture. A dideoxynucleotide has a hydrogen atom rather than a hydroxyl group on its 3' carbon and cannot form a phosphodiester bond with another nucleotide and thus terminates the chain. How does this feature of dideoxynucleotides play a role in determining the sequence of a piece of DNA? In one application of the Sanger method called di-terminator sequencing, the reaction mixture contains a limiting amount of each of the 4 dideoxynucleotides, DDATP, DDCTP, DDGTP, and DDTTP. These dideoxynucleotides are labeled with 4 different fluorescent dyes. The reaction mixture also contains larger amounts of the 4 deoxynucleotides and the enzyme DNA polymerase I. Many copies of each component exist in the reaction mixture. By the end of the reaction period, a population of DNA strands of varying